Wake up. Sit up. 5:30?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, Al.
Morning.
Market.
Oh, nah, yay. That's what we got, man.
Korea?
The natural sounds of Baler.
Hey guys, we're pumped. We're just about to meet the winners. We're just gonna have a bit of breakfast. We've had a killer morning surf.
Yep.
Good tunes on. Where are we at?
We're at the Yellowfin Grill. Shout out to them.
Grill.
We're gonna eat some roast chicken. We got some grilled pussy.
Yeah.
We got some calamansi and chili. It's gonna be amazing. We got some moringa juice, some moringa tea.
Shout out to the merengue juice, whatever that is.
If you're lactating, it's the best thing you can drink.
Wait, chorus.
Oh, okay, we gotta sing this. Say hey, hey, I love you till the morning sun. Can we help you carry some bags?
You did travel over on the bus?
You sure? You want to first? Okay. Alright. Yeah, let's go.
Good, by the way.
So do you guys have nicknames? I know you can. Nickname? People you James.
Actually, Shami's already my name.
Shami's already your name.
My real name is way
It's Jersham.
Jersham Zanim.
That's
wow.
insane. You sound like something from Star Wars.
Yeah, so when people read my name, they actually assume I'm a guy or I'm a foreigner or both. So I've got people calling me dude.
And where's that from? What's the...
Jersham is from the Bible. It's
Jersham is...
Does Ben remind you of anyone from this? Look at that face. Look at that face.
we're from different
Yeah.
testaments.
Yeah.
Old Testament.
Beware.
That's a
He's
good
going
point.
to bless you with all the blessings that he give you.
The only annoying thing is he can't turn water into wine.
Actually, when I learned that you were from Australia, I actually assumed that you automatically know how to swim.
Yeah,
that's a fair assumption.
I can surf, not very good though, but it's manageable, doable, passable. But Ed can surf too.
Yes, and I'm not from Australia. I'm from where it's very cold in the UK.
And it's not known for its beaches.
It's not.
Well, yeah.
I think the locals would argue that.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So bad.
Yeah.
You
Australia.
hold. You.
So we have
Philippines.
some.
I'm gonna hold my tongue. I'm gonna hold my tongue because we're on camera. But I'll deal with you later.
Okay. We're only sleeping like a couple meters away from each other.
Yeah.
I'm Australian as well, but my mom's from Ecuador, and I don't know how to surf, so that's I inherited the Ecuadorian side.
Can you say something in Spanish for us?
Claro que sí. Estamos aquí con Perdido en las Filipinas y hola.
Hi guys! I'm Angel.
Hi, I'm Shami.
We're beautiful in a way. Yeah.
We have no idea where we're going. We're
Good.
just going with the guys.
Okay, cool.
Go with
Neither
the
do we.
flow.
Actually, when Ken asked me if I was willing to go, I was like, sure. I didn't even hesitate. I didn't even check my schedule. I just said, okay, I'm going with you. Whatever that is.